Ready to take your home to the next level? These luxury smart home gadgets bring cutting-edge convenience, sleek design, and futuristic features that make everyday living feel effortless. From intelligent automation to premium upgrades you'll actually use, these innovations are selling out fast for a reason. All products are linked in the description below. What if your mirror could also be your personal trainer? This smart fitness mirror is a full home gym packed into one sleek machine. A 43-inch 4K touchscreen displays your workout, while AI tracks your body using 17 key points to coach your form in real time. It offers over 350 exercises and 200 guided courses targeting every muscle group, strength, cardio, flexibility, all of it. The resistance adjusts automatically up to 220 pounds, so it challenges beginners and athletes alike. When you're done, it folds down to the size of a doormat. No monthly fees, ever. Just lifetime access to workouts, AI coaching, and free updates. Your home just became the best gym in town. Dirty souls stop here, literally. This automatic shoe cleaning mat sits flat on the floor and gets to work the moment you step on it. No bending down, no water, no fuss. High-speed rotating brushes scrub your soles 20 times per second, while 1,000 pascals of suction, 20 times stronger than a regular floor mat, pulls dust and dirt straight into a built-in compartment. Step off and it stops automatically. Works on sneakers, heels, leather shoes, slippers, anything you walk in. The dust box pops out for easy emptying and the brush is removable for cleaning. It's rechargeable, so you can place it anywhere. Front door, office entrance, hotel lobby. Clean floors start before you even walk in. Your shower just became a spa. This floor-to-ceiling shower panel replaces your basic shower head with 6 experiences in one. A wide rainfall head soaks your whole body from above, while a waterfall spout delivers that soft, natural cascade feeling. 2 adjustable body jets target your neck and back to melt away tension, and 6 mist sprays add an extra layer of relaxation. There's also a handheld wand for rinsing off and a tub spout for filling up. The built-in display shows water temperature so you never step into a scalding surprise. Everything is built from rust-resistant stainless steel that's made to last. No spa membership needed, just turn on the water. The power grid is optional now. This massive portable power station holds enough energy to run your entire home for a full day. Fridges, air conditioning, power tools, even your electric vehicle. It pumps out 6,000 watts at both 120 volts and 240 volts, meaning it handles anything you'd normally plug into a wall. Need more juice? Stack up to 6 extra battery packs for nearly 2 weeks of backup power. It charges from solar panels, so the sun keeps you running indefinitely off-grid. Built with the same battery technology used in electric cars, it's engineered to last over a decade of daily use. Monitor and control everything from your phone via Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. Whether it's a camping trip, an RV adventure, or a blackout, you stay powered. Tap water carries more than just water. This countertop reverse osmosis system runs yours through 7 filtration stages, stripping out lead, arsenic, fluoride, and dozens of other contaminants down to particles 0.0001 microns in size, smaller than most viruses. But here's what makes it special. It also heats water instantly to 5 preset temperatures. Room temp for drinking, the perfect heat for baby formula, tea, coffee, or oatmeal, all at the touch of a button. No plumbing required, just fill the tank and plug it in. It works on your counter, in an office, even an RV. The included glass pitcher keeps your clean water completely separate from wastewater, and leftover water can be reused for plants or cleaning. Pure water, exactly how you want it. A 150-inch cinema screen from a device that sits inches from your wall. This ultra-short throw projector beams a massive 4K image using 3 lasers simultaneously, producing colors and contrast that a standard projector simply can't match. At 3,600 lumens, it looks stunning even in a bright room. Sound is handled by built-in Dynaudio speakers with Dolby Atmos, filling the room with audio that matches the scale of the picture. Google TV comes built in with Netflix ready to go, so there's no extra box or remote to juggle. It also connects to gaming consoles for a lag-free experience. No dark, dedicated theater room required, just push it close to the wall, turn it on, and your living room disappears. One panel to rule your entire home. This 10.1-inch touchscreen mounts directly into your wall and puts every smart device you own at your fingertips: lights, fans, heaters, air conditioning, music, all of it. No phone needed, no voice command required, just tap. 4 physical buttons are fully customizable for your most used shortcuts. It works with Alexa, Google, HomeKit, and Home Assistant, so whatever smart devices you already have, this connects to them. A built-in relay means it can directly switch appliances on and off without any extra hardware. It even monitors your real-time energy usage so you can spot what's eating your electricity bill. Clean, sleek, and permanently mounted, it turns a blank wall into the command center your smart home always needed. Ancient therapy, modern upgrade. Traditional cupping has been used for centuries to relieve muscle tension. This device brings that same experience home without the flames, pumps, or spa appointment. It glides across your skin using dynamic suction that mimics professional cupping, while built-in vibration and adjustable heat work deeper into sore muscles. Red LED light therapy adds an extra layer of recovery, boosting circulation right where you need it most. 12 intensity levels mean you control exactly how much pressure you want. It's cordless, rechargeable, and small enough to toss in a bag. Use it on your back, shoulders, legs, or anywhere tension builds up. A full recovery session whenever you need one, no booking required. Scrubbing on your hands and knees is officially optional. This electric spin scrubber does the hard work for you, rotating at enough torque to power through soap scum, grout grime, and mineral buildup that regular brushes just smear around. The handle extends from 14 to 54 inches and bends at 5 different angles, so you reach the back of the tub, behind the toilet, and high tile walls without twisting your back. 8 interchangeable brush heads swap out for different surfaces: tile, glass, grout, delicate fixtures. Speed adjusts right from the handle so you never need to stop mid-clean. It's fully waterproof, so rinse the whole thing under the tap when you're done. Cleaning the bathroom went from a chore to just a couple of minutes. Dead space under your cabinet just became your favorite screen. This compact TV mounts flush underneath your kitchen cabinet and flips down whenever you want it, folding neatly back up when you don't. The 15.6-inch 1080p screen rotates 90 degrees vertically and swivels 45 degrees side to side, so the viewing angle is always perfect whether you're at the stove, the counter, or the sink. Tempered glass protects the screen from kitchen splashes and steam. It runs on both standard power and 12 volts, making it just as at home in an RV or yacht as in your kitchen. Connect any streaming device via HDMI and you're set. Catch the news while cooking, follow a recipe, or just keep yourself entertained without giving up a single inch of counter space. Your cat deserves a clean bathroom every single time, without you lifting a finger. This self-cleaning litter box automatically scoops waste after every visit and seals it in a closed bin beneath, so odors stay trapped for up to 10 to 15 days. The giant globe fits even large cats comfortably and works for multi-cat households too. It runs whisper quiet at under 35 decibels, softer than a library, so it won't disturb anyone nearby. An app lets you track your cat's bathroom habits, set cleaning schedules, and get alerts when the bin is full. all from your phone. This smart toilet takes something basic and upgrades every part of it. It handles flushing automatically, adds a built-in bidet for proper cleaning, and keeps the seat warm for comfort. The integrated dryer removes the need for extra steps, while the deodorizing system keeps everything fresh. LED lighting adds a subtle modern touch, especially at night. With touchless controls, it turns a daily habit into something cleaner, easier, and more advanced. Your desk should be as serious about gaming as you are. This electric standing desk transforms from sitting to standing height with the press of a button, powered by dual motors for a smooth, wobble-free lift every time. RGB lights run along the frame in 22 modes and actually react to in-game sound, turning your whole setup into an immersive light show. Cables vanish completely thanks to magnetic organizers and a hidden under-desk tray. No zip ties, no mess. It's built like a tank with a metal surface top and backed by a 5-year warranty on the frame and motors. Midnight trips to the bathroom don't need blinding lights anymore. This motion sensor toilet light gently turns on as you approach, guiding your way without waking you up fully. It fits right under the seat and glows in soft colors, with options to cycle or stay on your favorite shade. The flexible design adjusts to almost any toilet. It's simple, fun, and makes nighttime way more comfortable. Your nightstand is about to do everything at once. This smart bedside lamp combines lighting, music, charging, and an alarm clock into one sleek setup. It plays your favorite songs through a built-in Bluetooth speaker while lighting up your room with soft, adjustable colors. You can place your phone on top for wireless charging, so there are no messy cables. At night, it even helps you sleep and wake up gently with calming sounds and a clear display. Keeping your teeth actually clean goes beyond brushing, and this water flosser makes that obvious fast. It shoots a powerful stream of water that blasts out food and plaque from places floss can barely reach. With multiple pressure settings, you can go gentle or deep clean depending on what you need. The rotating tip helps hit every angle, while the large tank lets you finish without stopping. It turns a boring routine into something that actually works. Reading in low light usually strains your eyes, but this flat panel book light fixes that instantly. Instead of a single beam, it spreads light evenly across the entire page, so every word stays clear. The slim design sits directly over your book without bulk, and adjustable brightness lets you match your comfort. Rechargeable and lightweight, it's easy to carry anywhere. It makes late-night reading far more relaxed and enjoyable. Cleaning floors doesn't need separate tools anymore when this smart cleaner handles everything at once. It vacuums and mops simultaneously, picking up dry debris and wet messes in a single pass. Sensors adjust the power automatically depending on how dirty the floor is. The self-cleaning roller keeps maintenance low, while the cordless design gives full freedom to move. It's a faster, smarter way to keep floors looking spotless every day. It's a speaker. It's a lamp. It's the life of the party. This futuristic zinc alloy speaker pumps out 30 watts of crystal clear sound while putting on an 8-color RGB light show that pulses in sync with your music. Connect from up to 100 feet away, or pair two together for a full stereo setup that fills an entire space. A single charge gets you 9 hours of music and lights, and USB-C keeps it topped up between sessions. Whether it's a camping trip, a backyard hangout, or just your bedroom, this thing turns any space into an experience. Staying organized at home gets way easier when everything lives on one smart screen. This display shows your calendar, reminders, and weather all in one place, so nothing slips through. You can stream shows while cooking, control smart devices with your voice, and even video call with a clear, auto-framing camera. The large full HD screen keeps everything sharp, while privacy controls ensure peace of mind. It's your home, just smarter and more connected. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.